Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 cameras for photography. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Nikon D3400. SnapBridge Bluetooth connectivity. 24.2 megapixels DX format CMOS sensor. X-Speed 4 image processor. No optical low-pass filter. Bluetooth specification version 4.1. Wi-Fi functionality Wi-Fi compatible. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Canon EOS Rebel T7i. 242 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor. NFC and Bluetooth lens used, FS18 to 55mm f4 to 56 ISSTM. Step up from a smartphone or compact camera and see the difference. With an optical viewfinder to see exactly what you'll capture. 45-point all-cross type AF for accurate results. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Olympus TG5 waterproof camera. New 12 megapixel high-speed image sensor for improved low light performance and noise reduction. Dual quad-core TruePic 8 image processor. 3.0 inches 460K LCD monitor. Focus range normal, 3.94 inches, 10 centimeters, to infinity. Features anti-fog dual pane lens glass. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Nikon D850. Nikon designed backside illuminated, BSI, full frame image sensor. Up to 9 fps 1 continuous shooting at full resolution with full AF performance. 45.7 megapixels of extraordinary resolution. 8K 6 and 4K time-lapse movies with new levels of sharpness and detail. Outstanding battery performance and much more. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Sony A6000. ISO 100 to 25600, expandable to 51200. Lens compatibility Sony E-mount lenses. Hybrid AF with 179-point focal plane phase detection. Up to 11 fps continuous shooting. 79-point focal plane phase detection AF sensor. Please check the description for details and best price.